Introducing the 2026 Pit Boss Barbecue Display. Assembly is easy and will ideally require 2 people. This video will walk you through the assembly process, but first let's look at the parts. The middle section has 5 metal parts for easy shipping. There are 3 uprights, a base and header. There are 2 end sections, each consisting of a simple bottom frame and upper header. All sections have a foam graphic board to install, and there is a separate header to add on the top. After the display is set up, you can add the long steel shelf, crossbars to hold peg hooks, and the 12-inch basket shelf. This display comes with 5 types of nuts and bolts and 2 sizes of Allen key. We suggest you use an electric screwdriver or drill to save time. Each size fixing will be separately bagged and labeled. Okay, it's time to get started with the middle section, and it's best to have 2 people. Lay out the parts on the floor as shown and screw the adjustable feet into the base. Next, pull the uprights over the spigots on the bottom of the header. Please note that uprights have a top and bottom and cannot be assembled upside down due to hole locations. Don't worry, they will be labeled. Do not add screws to the outside uprights yet. They will be added after you stand the middle section upright and add the end sections. Now you can add the screws to the middle upright, top and bottom. This will hold it together while you lift the section upright. Remember, no screws in outside uprights yet. Once these 4 screws are added, you can lift the middle upright and position one of the end sections perpendicular to it for the next stage of assembly. Each end section has 4 bolts in each the top and bottom. This critical connection will make the fixture very rigid to stand strong in store. After the first end section is complete, you can repeat on the other side. Now you will notice the ends need headers added. Each of these is held in place with 4 bolts. Very easy. Next, you can add the header with 4 fixings provided. This is the only metal part that is secured with a separate lock nut. You will need the wrench included to tighten this. There are 4 graphic panels to install with the nut and screw supplied. The metal tabs they attach to are offset from the center of the uprights so that the graphic board is centered. This will be important for the 2 middle section graphics. The main structure is now finished, and you can set up the shelves, crossbars, and hooks to suit your particular store configuration. Congratulations! You have just set up one smoking hot barbecue display.